Now today the concept is SAP scripts. We are going to create SAP scripts in a transaction SC71. In this we are going to create a form. In the form there are so many components like pages, windows, and we are going to design a layout for some orders like purchase orders, sales orders, or invoices. Generally SAP is having all forms predefinedly, and if we want any changes to the standard forms, we are going to copy those forms and make our own modifications. Now if we want to create our own form or a script, we have to come to the transaction SC71. Here you can see here, and on the first step we have to give a name, some name that should start with Z, means Z, and some name, suppose script, and press create, or you can press F5. After pressing create button, the next screen is we'll get a pop-up window. You just click right button or press enter button directly, because why this pop-up window will come means SAP scripts are client dependent. Means if in a server there are so many clients, the scripts are dependent of clients. If one client, suppose client 800, here what we can see is creating a form Z script. Now this script is not going to be available for the other clients in the same server. Suppose we are having 3 clients, 800, 810 and 820. The Z script is not going to be available for the rest of the clients. So after that we have a screen. Here we have to give the description or meaning, what this screen means, why you are creating this screen, or suppose just for understanding purpose. So I am giving this is my sample script. Now press enter. So first after no need to press enter. So after entering this, just press save button. You can save this either in local object or you can save it in package. So when in the script we have to means why this error came is you have to select a package, because I didn't select a package, so the error, this pop-up window will come. So I am saving it in a local object. the local object. After selecting this, it is automatically saved. The script is saved. We got a message. Then the first thing we have to do is we have to give a basic settings to our form. Means first, this is the basic settings. First, setup page. This is the page format. We have A4, A3. We have so many formats. So now I am using A4, and this is the orientation, like Patroid, like A4 normal sheet, and landscape means like it's horizontally we'll get. And here this is first page, means we have to declare it, and we have to give a page name here. Page name till now we didn't create, so we are going to create, and we have to give the paragraph name here. And this is the basics. First we have to give a paragraph name and page name. So for that I am going to create a paragraph format. First I am creating now here give some format name, anything, like I am giving P1, press enter, and give the meaning of this. I am giving this is my basic format. So we can give, means here we can set a left margin, means how in a window or in a page, how the matter, means whatever the data is going to be arranged in your window. So the spaces and right margin, there we can set all things. So because this is the first program I am giving, means I am giving these things are blank, so these things won't affect, and this is all enough for the basic one. And here also we can put no blank lines, means whatever you give some enter space, means if you enter more number of, it won't take it. Means if you press enter, it will take spaces, so it is going to, if you click this one, the spaces is going to be omit. And you can click this one, and one more thing is we can create any number of paragraph formats. We can set any number of means any type of format to our pages or windows. Now I have created a paragraph. Now I am going to create a page. So for the page I am going to give a name called page 1. Enter the meaning. This is my home page, or this is my first page. And next page. This is important because if suppose your script is having more more than one page. Suppose when you are printing a PO, purchase order, or printing multiple POs, within one page it is not sufficient to print all the POs. So at that time you can give either the next page is page 1, means that is same as first page, or you can create one more page, so that from the second page, see here I have given page 2, the page 2 is not available. So to create that, click here, click on the pages, and either you press Ctrl F6 or go to edit, sorry, not Ctrl F6, Shift F6, or you can go to edit and create element. So I am going to create page 2 with meaning this is my second page. So now the second page is created. So for this, from the second page we are giving a next page as second page, or you can give means you can create one more page and you can press next, means page 3 or something. You can give the name as page 3, if it means create one more page and give next page as page 3, or you can simply page 2. So of means whatever the records, if the second paper also completed, it is again going to take the format of the page 2. Now we are created pages. Now what we have to create is the windows. Means in scripts by default we will get a main window. Means no need to create the main window, it will automatically get. So what, and we are now here we can create our own windows, like if you want to put some headers, or if it means like company names or logos. For that you have to create windows. Actually mainly we having three kind of windows. Here you can see window type. If you press F4, you can see what are the number of types of windows. In scripts we are having a main window, other one is a variable window, other one is constant window. The difference between these three windows is like in main window is going to change dynamically according to the number of records you are going to the program is going to generate. Suppose if a program is generating more than 20 records, so the main window is going to print all the records within that. If the limit is reached, then it is going to automatically will go to second page. Means in second main window it will automatically print. See here, first is main window, and the one is constant window. In constant window you can print I can say I said like headings or something. In variable window means you print addresses. Means the window is variable, means what it varies according to the data. Means not on the size, the data is going to vary. Means we'll simply give some elements, so the data from the program is going to print in a variable window. And the graph means like we can put some graphs in this. So this is the main window, and here we want to create either shift plus F6, or you can go to edit, create element. So here we can give window name. So I am giving a window name called head, and the meaning is like this is my heading or header. So I am pressing enter. So the window type variable is created. So if you want to make it as a, suppose if you want to change it as a constant or something, you just click here constant, or you can keep it as a variable. There is no not a big difference in this. And if you want to create one more, then you can directly press shift plus F6, create like address. No need to go for the address directly. So suppose like footer or signature, you can put like signature. We are creating a SIG, suppose for example. Okay, this is my signature window. Pressing it. So we have created the windows, and you can set this as a constant. I'm setting this as a constant because we are using all these things in our program. So this window type is changed, and now the important thing is we have created the pages and we have created the windows. To add the windows in the pages, we have to go to the page windows. Now we are in second page. First I am editing the first page. Now I am giving a page 1 and I am pressing enter. Okay, now this is page 1. So now here what I have to do means I have to add the windows in this page. So for this, go to edit, create element. It will show all the windows whatever you have created. First, which window you want. So you can press like head. So your head is created. So what you have to give is this is called mandatory fields: width window, window width, and height. So give some things, means that these things you can change in a layout, size of the window or something. So I'm simply giving it 3 and 4. I'm pressing enter. Now shift plus F6. Now I want main window. So for this I'm giving like 5 and 4, and again press here and shift plus F6, and this is the last window I'm having. So with this also we have to give some length parameters. I mean 6 and 4. So we have created, or we can create more than one main window. In a script, and this is not possible. This is not possible in a smart form that is going to come in the future. You can, if you want to delete that, you press edit and delete. So before that, first we have to fill it something. Just fill with some number. So yes, so this is already one. Whatever we have created newly, the main window is I am deleted. Now we are added the windows. Now in page 2, so for the simple one I am deleting page 2 because this is the first program. I have just shown you how to create page 2 and how to give settings for that. Now here what you have to do is give page 1 as second, means if the number of data is exceeded, and the second page format is also like first page. And what else we have to do? Yeah, this is the page 1 and we have added. Now we have to design the layout, means how the thing we have to arrange the windows. So for that you have to go to settings and click this graphic form painter and press enter. So now we are going to go to the layout design. So there we can design how the windows, how the size of the window, and where to place in a page. See here, all the windows we have added to the page, means like page windows, whatever we have added is going to come here. So you can drag them and you can increase the size. This is the main window. This is the maximum length of the page. You can give how much length you can. So I am giving a main window with this size, and what else windows we have added, like head. This is head window, and this is a signature, and this is constant window. So I am going to put this thing at the bottom. So I am keeping that here. Now I'm going to put head window. Now we have done all modifications, means we have designed the layout. Now the thing is just arrange it properly so that it looks good. And basically we have some particular format, like format designs. We have some particular format designs we should follow to print some. If you want to print purchase order, it's not like simply we are giving and printing something. There is some predefined format for purchase order, something that is approved by the government. So first I am designed my layout. So to exit from that, go to settings, form painter, and unclick this and press enter. So now we are going to again going came to the design. Now here we have given the windows, we have created the windows, and we have added this thing windows. Now what we have to print in that windows? So first we are going to I'm going to head. So to create or to write something in the window, you have to double click on the head, whatever the window, double click on it and press F9 or this text element. After pressing this, you are going to some editor. There you can write whatever you want to print in that window. So first in a head window, I have clicked this text elements. So it's going to come in text elements. You can means like you can create globally these text elements. You can create globally, or you can write in your own program. Means if suppose you want to use a text element commonly in all the scripts or forms, whatever you using in your company or something in organization, then what we use, we don't need to write all the things repeatedly in all the forms. So what we will do means we'll simply create a global text element and we are going to use it for the simple program. Now what doing, so means for this program I am simply writing on by own. So like that we have to means write in each text elements what to print. So in main window generally what means what we'll use like to print some internal table data or purchase order data or something. In header window will obviously print like some logos or like heading of the company, name of the company, like that. In constant window we used to print means we are going to use it for like signature or something, terms and conditions which is going to be constant, means which is not going to be changed anytime. Those are constant. The variable window is like data is going to be changed, not the size of the window or something. Obviously the main window is like what means the main window is a major part of the form. So because the important data or something we are generating a purchase orders or something, the important data is like the main window data, means what are the items for what we are generating purchase order, like that.